How to fix Snapchat camera quality on iPhone and Android devices. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to send high quality snaps without losing resolution and you want to fix your Snapchat camera quality on your phone, you're in the right place. First of all, you need to go ahead and check your camera settings. So go ahead and open your system settings, or you can directly tap and hold onto your camera icon. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to its app info. And if you're on iPhone, you can upload the application and reinstall or re-enable it again. And on Android, go ahead and force stop this application and re-enable it again. Then scroll down, go to storage and click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Now tap on camera settings, scroll down and toggle the switch for high efficiency videos and video stabilization. Also toggle the switch for auto HDR and go to pictures, toggle the switch of high efficiency pictures and open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Snapchat. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version. If not, the update button will display instead of open. Go ahead and tap on that and this will definitely help you fix the problem. And another thing you can do is, while you're taking any picture or video from Snapchat camera or the real camera, avoid zooming. Zooming reduces video quality in Snapchat. So instead, you can move closer to the subject and take a picture or a video. And the front camera usually records at a lower quality. So use the rear camera for better results and use daylight or bright artificial light for clear footage. You can also try using different filters that are available on Snapchat. And sometimes low storage can also cause lag and reduce recording quality. So you can go ahead and clear some storage on your device. So by following this simple step, you should be able to improve Snapchat camera quality on both of your iPhone and Android devices. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.